Hey, this is Tyler with FastCap. Got a brand new product here, the Kliss Clamp. This was developed by Brian Kliss of Kliss Cabinets. It's an innovative and simple design to vertically hold panels. It's made out of a high-strength injection molded sliding clamp that fits panels up to 1.25 inches thick. It's got an inset FastCap power mag that holds the clamp open and allows you to easily drop it onto your material. This clamp is going to surprise you with how strong it is. We held up a 4x8 sheet of plywood, and that's just with it standing alone on the edge. You can also screw it into your bench for extra strength, and then it'll really hold your panels really tightly. This clamp is going to be perfect for edge banding, sanding, painting, gluing. You could also buy multiple of them and build some jigs for assembly. Anytime you really want your work to be held for you, this clamp is going to do it. We designed the clamp so your material sits on the workbench through this open slot. But if you just cut a simple 3/4 inch shim, you can put it on the edge and then your clamp can be held in the middle of your panel. It's 100% made in the USA here at FastCap, and if you pick one of these up, you're definitely going to love it.
Hey, this is Brian Kliss, inventor of the Kliss Clamp by FastCap. Got it in the mail today, right out of the box. We can make a lean improvement in our shop. You can either screw this down to a workbench or simply just clamp it. That enables you to hold panels and process them very quickly in and out. So if you're edge banding with fast edge, routing, sanding, whatever you're doing, you can get them in and out very lean, very quick. We use it to do our fast edge. Sometimes we'll route some shelves. We can route these edges now with a router, and the router clears the support. This is even a short shelf, so we'll use it in assembly also. I'll take this to the we have a larger cabinet to nail up. I can take this to the shop floor, stand up in panels, and then that allows us to nail off the rest of the cabinet and get everything done a little quicker, a little faster, a little better. Thanks. Check out the Kliss Clamp.